Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Frameo digital frame to Wi-Fi in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to tap on your frame screen in order to open the menu in front of you. So when you open the menu, you are going to see the offline option here on the top. So when you tap on the offline option, you will be inside the settings. So inside the settings, simply tap on the option of Wi-Fi. Now inside Wi-Fi, you need to tap on the option of the Wi-Fi in order to basically select the network that you want to connect with it. Now when you tap on the network name which you want to connect, you just have to simply start providing the password in order to basically establish the connection. When you enter the password, simply hit OK, and this way you will be able to basically connect your Frameo digital frame to Wi-Fi. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.